Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video we're going to see if you are on your mobile network and you are using your data internet which is provided by your mobile network provider, and all of a sudden that particular network has been stopped for some reason. How exactly you will recapture it? How exactly you will resolve this? How exactly you will fix this? Let's see. If you are on your home page, if you observe, the internet is coming now, and if by any chance this internet is not available, you have to go to your menu and your top. So thereafter just change your settings to airplane mode. Now you are on mobile data and just tap on this airplane mode and leave it for around 20 seconds. That's all. After particular 20 seconds, 10 to 50 20 seconds are enough for that reason, and just again tap on airplane mode. It will come back to mobile data, will show you the internet 4G after that, right? So that's all. So simple from this video, how to recover, how to recapture, how to fix the internet which is not coming on your mobile by doing airplane mode, and stay there for just 15 to 20 seconds so that your internet will come back. Thank you so much from this video. See you in the next one. Till then, bye bye. Kindly subscribe the channel, like and share the video.